Hi guys, welcome to Loopy. This is the first episode of Coffee Experience. So I'm really not an espresso drinker, so I want to try to put Shoko Bons in the espresso to see if it can taste better. Okay, so I don't know how many Shoko Bons I should put in there exactly, but let's see. Let's add one more. Nice. Or beta, like the Dutch say. Now is the satisfying part. Okay, this looks pretty good. Let's see how it looks like with a little bit of stir. Okay, at this point I don't think it can melt more, so I'm gonna try to stir it with the electric stirrer. This definitely looks better. Okay guys, I tried and this is not it. So I'm going to make a cappuccino and maybe it will do the trick. Big disclaimer, I am not a barista, so please don't judge how I foam my milk. I'm just doing my best. Well, kijk the foam? Not too bad, huh? This part is honestly the most satisfying. Et voila! Now let's see how it tastes. Honestly guys, this was very good. It tastes like a hazelnut mochaccino. Very nice. Well, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of videos, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.